It's a 2012 Nissan Armada. Armada offers the space, comfort, and capability to take your family adventures to new heights. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, auto dimming rearview mirror, power adjustable pedals, power liftgate, Bose sound system, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth, and endurance engine. Edmunds.com reports rated at 305 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. The Endurance V8 uses dual overhead cams and a variable intake manifold to produce a broad band of power and an impressive 9,100 pound maximum tow rating. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.